So for example 3, we just want to figure out what type of number this is. So let me give you a scenario. Okay. We want to know the number of people, okay, wearing glasses in a room. We want to know the number of people wearing glasses in the room. So this is example number 3. All right, so let's talk about that. Am I ever going to have 4.5 people wearing glasses? No. So am I ever going to have -5 people wearing glasses? No. Huh? No, you can't. But when we count the number of people, we're not going to count a half of a person. Somebody said they might be wearing an eye patch. Get out of here, you goofballs. We didn't define the glasses. But when we count the people, we're going to count them one at a time, right? So we could have, and here's another thing you could do. Think about it. I could have one person wearing glasses. I could have 2 people wearing glasses. I could have 3 people. Heck, I could even have 0 people wearing glasses, right? What set does that look like to you guys based on the graph? Huh? Yeah. And this can go on forever. That's whole numbers, right? Those are whole numbers. All right, there's a part B for that. So that's part A. And you guys remember, whatever I write down, whatever you see on the board, you should be writing down in your books, in your notebooks. So part B says, ooh, this is a tough one. I'm going to shorten it up a bit. For part B, they want to know, we need to figure out the circumference of a flying saucer. Well, I don't know if they mean spaceships. It could be like a frisbee. So let's think about that one. How do we calculate the circumference? Does anybody here remember that number or that formula? How do you calculate the circumference? Well, let's assume you don't remember. So what could I do if I don't remember the formula? Google it. So I'm going to say circumference. Circumference of a circle, right? Uh-oh. The circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. Yikes. No bueno. Let's write that down. So the circumference of a flying saucer, go ahead and sketch this out, is equal to pi times the diameter of it, right? So no matter what the diameter is, guess what number I'm going to have in there? I'm always going to have pi. What do we know about pi as a number? What set is that a part of? It's an irrational number, right? So the formula, in other words, if I know the diameter of this thing, right, and I want to find, let's say the diameter is 2 feet, right? Well, it's going to be pi times 2, or the answer would be 2 pi. Well, that's an irrational number because it's got pi in there. Pi is an irrational number. And no matter what number, if I put in there 10,000, if the diameter of this thing is 10,000, I still have to multiply it by pi. Guess what? It's still irrational. Okay? Scroll down or up. You want to see? Let me do this. Okay?